also possible, and we try to help to find a work for the spouses as well, and then they can get also children to, if they children to Finland and to school if they like it that way.
Ang kakailanganin ng Finland, mga skilled workers, hotel at tourism workers, restaurant staff, manggagawa para sa information technology o IT, at healthcare workers gaya ng nursing staff at caregivers. Ayon sa gobyerno ng Finland, mahalaga sa kanila ang labor equality. Kaya kahit ibang lahi, pare-pareho ang minimum wage na naglalaro sa 1,600 euros o mahigit 90,000 pesos pataas kada buwan o higit pa, depende sa uri ng trabaho at industriya. Kasama rin sa pinirmahang kasunduan ang upskilling ng mga Filipino healthcare worker.
One can come in, let's say, as a caregiver or nurse assistant and be upgraded from there in Finland. So this is something that is also suited to our healthcare demands here in our very own country.
Paalala ng DMW sa publiko, huwag papatol sa mga trabahong inaalok sa social media, mag-ingat sa mga illegal recruiters at tanging sa DMW lang mag-check ng anumang uri ng trabaho abroad. Para sa GMA Integrated